welcome back to another week of Techy Tuesday. Today we're going to continue our YouTube series by talking about the YouTube Studio mobile app. So this is how you can manage your channel and upload your videos without having to be on the desktop version of YouTube. So you can also do this with any mobile device or tablet that you want to be using. Now, when you go to the App Store and search up YouTube, be careful, there are a couple of different YouTube apps. You may see this one right here, which is YouTube for Users. If you want to search videos and actually use YouTube as a platform, then you would get the YouTube app. There's also YouTube Music, or we have YouTube Studio. This is the one that we are going to be looking for. So it's the hexagon with that YouTube play button. It'll be red on the white background. And once you have that downloaded, you'll go ahead and open it up. It is going to ask you to sign in, so you will use the same sign-in information that you are used to using when you go through the computer version of YouTube. Now, when you log in, it's going to immediately take you to your dashboard where it's going to be showing you kind of your rough analytics, your recent stuff, things that you kind of need to be focused on, or little snippets of what's going on within your channel. This is the exact same as the dashboard on the computer or the desktop version of YouTube Studio, which is awesome because it is very easy to go from one to the other. They very much work the same, and it's easy to tell what you're needing to do. So down at the bottom, we've got our menu, our navigation items. Again, it started us out there in our dashboard in the left corner. If you go to content, this is how you can upload or manage your videos. So if you want to organize your playlists, if I click here, I can edit, delete, I can share my videos and get the share link from here. So I don't have to go through YouTube and be trying to search for my stuff. It's all right here within the YouTube Studio app. We also have our full analytics, so if you want to see how your channel has been performing, that is something you can take a look at. Again, very similar to the desktop version. Under community, this is going to be where you can see all of your comments and what you need to be responding to. So you can also respond to comments directly from the Studio app. You do not have to be on the desktop version of YouTube. And the last section they have in here is for earning. So if you are eligible for monetization, you can keep track of that monetization here under the earned slot. And then at the very, very top of our app, next to where we see it say YouTube Studio, we've got the plus button. This is going to immediately take you into your camera roll to upload a video you have saved to your phone. So that is a difference from the computer version. You do have to make sure if you're uploading from the app that the video you are wanting is saved to the camera roll on whatever device you are using. Next to that plus screen, you're going to have the notification bell, which is going to keep you up to date for different things happening in your channel. And then next to that, you're going to have your profile picture, so you can go and view your account settings, your account information, or anything you might need to do with your actual channel profile. Now that's really it for YouTube Studio. We're not going to deep dive into every little feature or how to do every single thing, but I want to make sure that you guys knew what lives in these sections and what you can find. Now there is going to be a more robust system on the desktop version of YouTube Studio, so you will get more information and be able to edit more things than you can through the mobile app. If you guys have any additional questions on this, please let us know in the comments. But until next week, thanks for tuning in.